Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Apple Cash and card balances linked to Apple Card detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your Apple Cash and card balances linked to your Apple Card, start by ensuring you have the latest version of iOS installed on your device. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, you will see your Apple Card listed. Tap on your Apple Card to open its settings. Next, look for the option that says Transaction History. Review these transactions to identify any issues with your balances. If you see discrepancies, then go back to the previous screen and scroll down. Locate the option for Apple Cash. Tap on it to access your Apple Cash settings. Check your balance to see if it aligns with your transactions. If the balance looks incorrect, tap on Manage Apple Cash. Here, you can turn off Apple Cash and then turn it back on again. This process might help refresh your balance. Make sure your device is connected to the internet to update any changes. If your balance still appears incorrect, you may need to contact Apple Support. Visit the Apple Support website and navigate to the Apple Wallet section. Explain your issue in detail for them to assist you more effectively. Follow any additional instructions they provide to resolve your issue. Once everything is resolved, check your balances once more. Make sure both your Apple Cash and Apple Card balances are accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.